Soldering ICs, also known as soldering chips, are integrated circuits designed to be soldered onto a printed circuit board, PCB. Soldering is the process of joining two metal surfaces using a melted metal filler, known as solder, to create a permanent connection. Soldering ICs are typically packaged in a small form factor, such as surface mount technology, SMT, or through-hole, that can be easily placed and secured onto a PCB. The soldering process can be done manually or using automated assembly equipment. Soldering ICs offer advantages such as a secure and reliable connection, low electrical resistance, and high thermal conductivity. They are widely used in various electronic devices, such as computers, smartphones, and home appliances. With the increasing demand for miniaturization and higher performance in electronic devices, the use of soldering ICs is expected to continue to grow in the electronics industry.